Hi there, welcome to new video. Here I want you to know about the difference among these terms show, appear and show up. Majority of individuals think they are used for the same word, likewise display something. Let me tell you one thing, but you are totally wrong. Now many people might wonder how. Let's check it out and remove your confusion. Look at the first one, show, which means something that you bring in front of someone to see. Is called show, means something that does not display by itself on its own, but you show it, you display it to someone. So we would say this is called show. Second one, appear, that means something that you see or comes in front of eyesight automatically by themselves, means something that you does not display, does not show, but it comes in front of somebody by itself on its own. As for the show does not display by itself, but appear, display by itself, is called appear. Did you know the difference between show and appear? Next we have show up, which is phrasal verb. It means something which start to be seen is called show up. This is the same like appear, but this is advanced term. I hope you knew the difference. If you liked this video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.